Yo, what's up? Got another 200 million cash explosion. Man, I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. I think I got another good ticket. Ticket number 13. So I was just scratching my numbers and notice I have 118 up here, one right here, two right here, right? Then I got the 10 there. And I was scratching the winning numbers, which I got 3 right there, 12 right there, 10 of course there, and 11 there, 18. Man, I got a good one. I think I got a win all. I think, maybe. Let's see what we got. See what other numbers we got here. 31. Well, I don't think I got 31. Maybe it's not a win all, but sure did feel like it. Ticket number 5. Ticket number 5. No number 5. Alright, so I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 winning spots. Let's see what we got. I think I got $100. Wait, what? What the fuck? Excuse my language. That's $50 under 18. Oh shit. Alright, what do we got here? 15? What? Alright, that's 25, 50, 75. And right here, 25. That's 100. That's 100 right there. Oops, sorry. Another 15. Another 10. That's another 25. That's 50. That's 10. 15. That's 25. That's another 15. Am I missing one? Oh, that's 11 right here. Missed it. That's 10, 20. Damn, I think that's $200. I won $200, guys.